Hello guys, it's Grace. Today we're making some homemade VSCO stickers.
Oop.
Wow. The crafty side of me is coming out. So this video is for if you want to be a basic VSCO girl. Like we all do, so yeah. You could use these stickers to decorate your water bottle, your laptop, your phone case, your car if you're old enough, a hydro flask because I'm not bougie rich, but it's just this water bottle from Target that I got like a year ago. I already have this Panda one that's already on there, but that's been on there for like ever. That's why the top came off. And then I made this drawn one yesterday that looks horrible, but that's fine. And I have Target brand Berks instead of real ones. But I do have ingredients. So guys, you're gonna need 4 things: parchment paper, clear duct tape, scissors, and prints of like whatever you want to be your sticker or stuff you drew out. I did a palm tree, a scrunchie, a Birkenstock, like weird oof thing, I don't know. And then I did it in separate, so it would be kind of hard to show you. I like cut them up into separate words, but like, and but like, it's gonna be like, I know, oop. But yeah, you know, I was gonna do like a vineyard vine whale, but I forgot to print it, so I'm gonna probably do it after this video. But I'm gonna demonstrate with my palm tree, and then I'll do the rest and show you guys all of them at the end. So you're gonna wanna take your clear duct tape and put a layer on top of your parchment paper. We don't have any more. So I ran out of duct tape, so I'm gonna use clear Scotch tape for now. But lay it out like that. You can barely see it, but you can see where the white part is. It's right there. And then you take your cutout or drawing and put it right here. If your cutout is too wide, you put just an extra layer. And make sure it actually has room in between the edge of the tape and your cutout. So like, just put it on there and set it down, and then once you have it placed there with space, you put the tape on top of your cutout. You cover it with more tape. It would be easier if I had duct tape because it's super wider, but we ran out, so. This should work the same, just a little less sticky, but it should be fine. Yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, now when you have it taped on there, you want to cut it out and keep the shape of it. So And leave a little bit of space in between where your cutout is and where the tape is, because it sticks longer. So leave about that much space in between your cutout and the tape. And I will cut this out and be right back. Now that you have it cut out, it's in sticker form and you can use it. See how easy that was? It's literally so easy to make stickers and you don't have to go out and buy like overly expensive ones. So here's my bottle of water, and all you do to get the sticky part and stick it on something is peel off the parchment paper. It might be kind of hard, so I'll be right back. So now it should be sticky, or if you did it wrong, you didn't put a layer on the parchment paper before you put your cutout down. But I am going to stick it right here. And I'm just smoothing it down so it sticks super well. And there you have it. That is your homemade sticker, and I will do all of these cutouts that I have, and then I'll be right back to show you me decorating my water bottle. Bye. Guys, I am done with my water bottle finally. It's literally 8:41. But I'm done with it and I'm happy. I put all of these stickers on except the panda one because that was already on there. And then Kermit sips his tea right here. I put a Birkenstock. This one I doodled. It was like a wave or something. The doodle that I already showed you guys that I drew. The scrunchie. The vineyard vine whale. Oof. Thing. A palm tree, and that is it. I am very happy with my VSCO. You could follow me on VSCO in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe. Bye. Make sure to check out all my social medias in the description.